Welcome to our Kapalbhati Breath of Fire practice. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on your heels or cross-legged and just roll your shoulders back a few times. You can move your hips from side to side a couple of times. Just find a comfortable seat so your spine is straight, shoulders rolled back, your heart is open. And you can rest your hands on your thighs, palms facing up. And let's practice this together. Continue at your own pace. Your gaze is lifted to your third eye, your intuitive center between your eyebrows. Two more breaths. Then return to your regular breath. Eyes closed, your gaze is still lifted to your third eye, breathing slowly and deeply through your nose. Just notice how you feel. You will find that you're already, after a few breaths, you're warmer, you're more focused, you feel clear in your mind, in your body, in your whole being. And we'll do 2 more sets. So breathe in and let's begin. One more breath. Inhale and return to your regular breath. Gaze is still lifted to your third eye with your eyes closed. Noticing the warmth, noticing the energy flowing through your digestive system, respiratory system. Very balanced energization. And let's practice our 3rd set together. Breathe in and begin. Return to your regular breath and notice how energized you feel in that nice, balanced, natural way. Feel the warmth. Feel how clear you are in your body, your mind, your whole being, and that will help you to feel clear in life. So thank you again for joining. Take this beautiful energy with you into the day, the rest of your day, and feel free to watch additional videos on yoga, meditation, pranayams, and theta healing, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Namaste.